In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll down to Hit Apps, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Other Settings and hit Default Apps. Then you need to click on Launcher at the top, apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it and hit Allow All in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you can go back to the same settings and click on Poco Launcher. If you want to change anything in your Launcher Pro, just access the Launcher app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!